This bold group brokered by eXp Realty, LLC property video is presented by Rhonda Davis. Check out this cute home located in Haughton, won't last long. 3-bedroom 2-bath 1,336 square feet, 1 owner well-maintained home. Wood flooring and foyer, family room and hall. Ceramic tile in kitchen, bathrooms and laundry room. Remote master bedroom with private master bath, garden tub walk-in closet. Tuscany Villas in Haughton is a great neighborhood close to the new Haughton Middle School and the Joe Delaney Memorial Park. 15-minute drive to Barksdale AFB. Home qualifies for rural development loan. No city taxes, no HOA. Great neighborhood. For more information, review the details below or contact Rhonda Davis at 31